When we talk about commercial, it's a different kettle of fish. You start talking about zero export and it's basically really more concentrated around the return on investment. It's inevitable that power is going to continually go up, so installing solar on a commercial property basically gives the business owner the confidence to own their own power, know what their power is doing, feel like they're in control of how much power they use. They're looking for longevity, they're looking for efficiency, they're looking for the return on their investment. Quality is what we install, and this is how we give the business owners what they want. I think at the end of the day, if we can eliminate a commercial property's power bill, that gives them the ability, especially in tough times, to reinvest that money in their day-to-day procedures, whether it be more staff or other machines that can help their business. That's what we're about. Look, commercial, obviously we go to a zero export. We can only kind of generate what the particular building is demanding. So we try to get in there with a power analyzer meter or get some data off the metering so that we can successfully design a system that matches the power generation needed by that particular building. When you're choosing quality, you know you're going to have a system that's going to last a long time, especially when you're talking a return on investment, around the 3 to 4 year period. You really need to put your money where your mouth is.